Right, a very good evening, folks. Oh, goodness me, good evening. I think we might have some burnt toast. Oh, no, I burnt the toast, man. It's not too bad, it's not too bad. However, Rosie bought me a present today. She bought me a new pan, look. This new, it's called a George, is it a George Wilkinson thing? What is it? It's maybe really good. Yeah, George Wilkinson. Now, it's just like a big wok thing, but before you use it, you've got to clean it properly. Before first use, hand wash thoroughly, precondition it, blah de blah, with oil, and yeah, anyway, sorry. So that's what I have to do before I use this pan, which I'll be using tomorrow, because we've got visitors coming tomorrow. So that's what we're going to have, nachos and fajitas and all that kind of stuff. Mexican, we'll go with Mexican. I think I'm doing the castanets, but that's the wrong thing altogether, isn't it? Right, let's get this. I'm hungry, man. I need my toast. We're just going to stay with me here as I delve into the fridge. And we just have some toast with honey. We are. Right, do you have a lesson in how to play a bit of prog rock on your acoustic guitar? You just need a couple of chords. You need a sort of a D, but without the bottom note. So you get this sort of nice ringing tone, and then you just need a sort of like a C ninth kind of note, kind of thing, and you just alternate. Add a few more notes. Prog rock on acoustic guitar. Right, folks, well, as you know, Rosie got me a new pan. She got me a present. She said, I've got you a present, Jag. Oh, I said, what is it? Thanks. I've been uptown, got you something. Oh, brilliant, what is it? It's a pan. She got me a pan. It's a George Wilkinson pan. So, I've cleaned it. I've done all the stuff that it says to use, how to use it before you have to give it a good clean and put some oil in it and heat it up and then let it cool down and then give it another wipe. So I've done that. And tonight, folks, I think have I said this before? Yeah, I think I have. We're going for Mexican tonight. Right, folks, so that's me finished and I'm off tonight. So we've got visitors from another planet tonight. They're coming along and crikey, man. So we're having chicken fajitas for tea tonight, chicken wraps. We've got all this stuff to go with it. All I need to go up now is get a couple of beers, a couple of ales, man. I'm gonna get a couple of nice golden ales. Right, folks, the visitors have arrived and I'm about to use my pan for the first time. So here we go. Let's hope it's a good experience. I've cheated with the onions. Look, I know how pathetic is that. Rosie bought them for me, so I've got to use them. I've got my peppers ready to go as well. Everything's prepped. We're ready to go. So we're just waiting on this this new pan. Look at it. So we'll pan across. Get it? Pan across. Lovely jubbly. There we go. Right, hopefully the oil's not quite ready yet. Well, there's the chicken, folks. Oh, it looks disgusting, doesn't it? Oh my god, look at it. Oh, yuck. Okay, well that's it now. Well, folks, look, see the visitors, there's their shoes never arrive. Oh, well, here we go. Unusual angle. The pan, I think the pan is actually pretty good, man. It must be sort of ceramic or something, because it's nothing sticking at all. Oh, it's the door. Oh, who the hell's that? Oh, another visitor. Can't be another visitor. Surely not.